Imagine this. You're on the verge of a breakthrough, and suddenly you stop yourself. You procrastinate. You doubt. You pull back. Why do we do this? What causes self-sabotage and that crushing loss of confidence? And what's the real reason behind it all? Today, I'm revealing the eye-opening truth that could revolutionize your life forever. People often engage in self-sabotage or experience a loss of confidence as a way to cope with deeper emotional or psychological issues, even if it seems counterproductive on the surface. This is not usually a conscious choice to harm oneself, but rather an unconscious pattern that serves as a misguided form of self-protection. These behaviors are interconnected. Self-sabotage can erode confidence over time, while low confidence can fuel more sabotage, creating a vicious cycle. Let's break down the common causes, the real triggers hiding in plain sight. First, low self-esteem or self-worth. A fundamental belief that one is unworthy of success, happiness, or positive outcomes. This might manifest as procrastination, avoiding opportunities, or undermining relationships because deep down, the person feels they don't deserve better, leading to repeated failures that confirm their negative self-view. Second, fear of failure. Anxiety about not meeting expectations or facing rejection. People might quit prematurely or make poor choices to avoid the pain of trying and failing, which temporarily relieves stress but reinforces doubt in their abilities. Third, fear of success. Subconscious worry that achieving goals will bring unwanted changes like more responsibility, loss of relationships, or scrutiny. Success can feel threatening if it's associated with past losses. For example, if I succeed, I'll outgrow my friends or family. So individuals might self-destruct to stay in a familiar, safe zone of mediocrity. Fourth, past trauma or negative experiences. Childhood issues, abusive relationships, or repeated setbacks that shape harmful beliefs. These create ingrained habits like self-medication, for example, with alcohol or overeating, self-injury or avoidance, as a way to numb pain or recreate familiar patterns from the past. Fifth, impostor syndrome. Feeling like a fraud despite evidence of competence, often tied to perfectionism. This leads to downplaying achievements or overworking to the point of burnout, eroding confidence as the person constantly fears being exposed. And sixth, cognitive dissonance or negative beliefs. Internal conflict, when actions don't align with self-image or subconscious fears driving behavior. For instance, if someone believes, "I'm not good enough," they might sabotage to resolve the discomfort of potential success, clashing with that belief. Now, the revolutionary reality that will open your eyes. In reality, self-sabotage and waning confidence are widespread human experiences, not signs of inherent weakness or failure. They're often evolutionary holdovers. Our brains are wired to prioritize short-term emotional safety over long-term growth, avoiding perceived threats like change or vulnerability. This can stem from neurobiological factors, such as heightened stress responses in the amygdala, the brain's fear center, which override rational decision-making. It's not all in your head in a dismissive way. It's a real, treatable pattern influenced by biology, environment, and learned behaviors. Studies show that up to 80 to 90% of people engage in some form of self-sabotage at points in their lives, especially in high-stakes areas like careers, relationships, or health. here's the game changer. The revolutionary truth. It's not permanent. Awareness is the first step. Therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, mindfulness, or journaling can help rewire these habits by challenging negative beliefs and building resilience. Small changes like positive affirmations or seeking support can break the cycle over time. If this resonates personally, consulting a mental health professional is often the most effective path forward. You are not broken. You are protected by an outdated system, and today, you can start rewriting it. This is your revolution. Embrace the truth, break the patterns, and step into the confidence you were always meant to have. If this opened your eyes, share your biggest aha moment in the comments. Like, subscribe, and let's keep uncovering these life-changing truths together. You've got the power. Now use it.